There are 4 procedures that need to be performed before the dust track should be programmed and put in the field. These maintenance and cleaning procedures are covered next. The impactor has a total of 3 main parts. There's the top, bottom, and impaction plate. There's also an O-ring here that needs to always be in place. Set these pieces out and grab an alcohol swab and some Kim wipes. Dampen a Kim wipe with alcohol and wipe off the surface of the impaction plate. Also clean out any particles you see in the top or bottom pieces. Let these air dry. Every once in a while, the impaction plate needs to be re-oiled. This is after approximately 144 hours of use. Find the small squeeze bottle of oil and apply only 1 drop to the center of the impaction plate. Wait 1 minute and see if it soaks in. If not, wipe off any excess with a Kim wipe. If the pieces are dry and the oil is not present above the surface of the impaction plate, drop the plate back into the bottom half of the impactor and screw the top back on. Make sure you screw it on completely so the pieces are flush. It is now ready for use. Place it in a sealed plastic bag until needed. The dust track is re-zeroed before every sample run to help ensure that you have an accurate baseline to sample from. The dust track is easy to re-zero. First, turn on the dust track and take the zero count filter and attach it to the inlet. After the warm-up screen passes, tap Setup with the stylus and then select 0. On the screen that comes up, tap the green Start button. The motor will turn on and a 60-second countdown will begin. Make sure to never re-zero the instrument without the filter attached. After the countdown is done, the screen will tell you to remove the zero count filter. Occasionally, the date and time may need to be updated on the dust track. In the setup screen, there is a button for changing the date and time. Press this. A drop-down menu is provided to change the date and the time of day. After selecting one of these, a screen appears that allows you to change the settings. After saving your changes, press Main to get back to the main screen. Notice that the time is displayed in the upper right-hand corner. This makes it easy to tell if the dust track's times need to be altered. Changing the internal filter is something that is rarely done, but the instrument itself may prompt you to do it. It does this by displaying a red circle next to the word Filter on the main screen when it needs replacement. To change it, use the spanning tool. Turn the instrument around and open the back hatch on the left. Inside there is a brass circle with 2 holes in it. That's the cap to the filter chamber. Use the spanner to open it by lining up the tool's points to the holes in the cap and then turning it. Once it's open, a small white cylindrical filter is visible inside. Pull this out and replace with the new one. Screw the cap back on and then close the back hatch. The dust track has one internal battery that can be recharged. To charge the battery, plug the dust track into a wall AC outlet. Turn the dust track on by pressing the gray On button. As long as the instrument is turned on and not running a program, it will charge. At the top of the touchscreen, you will see a battery icon, and next to it a percentage representing how much of the battery is charged. That is all the maintenance that can be performed on the DustTrak. Anything else must be done at the factory. The DustTrak is now ready to be programmed.